Hi, I'm Mark Landry. This is Dave Reese. We're both nurse practitioners and owners of Minute Med Walk-In Clinic. Dave, a lot of people are asking, what exactly do nurse practitioners do, especially in urgent care or walk-in clinic type of places?
Well, you and I have probably 20 years of experience in the emergency room between the two of us. We are able to take care of statistically 70% of whatever walks into an emergency room, the minor medical problems, minor illnesses, coughs, colds, seasonal allergies. That can easily be taken care of in a walk-in clinic. Doesn't really need a physician. Nurse practitioners can easily take care of that. We've made a clinic that's very quick to get in and out of, very professional, very affordable care, very friendly service.
We've also opened 3 locations here in the Lafayette area to try to spread out and to serve as much of the community as we can. We've staffed with nurse practitioners, physician's assistants, and doctors just to try to compensate for the shortage of primary physicians that they're having in our country today.
Well, Minute Med has come up with an idea that it will help ease the transition from the traditional insurance plans that we've all had for years to the Obamacare system, which is going to be quite different. We call it ProMedics. It's a certified discount healthcare membership program, and Mark would like to talk a little bit about that.
Minute Med has expanded on the concept of using health club memberships where members can join at any location and redeem their health club membership at any location, any one of the several locations that they have. We've taken that same concept and applied it to our Minute Med clinics with minor health care. ProMedics is open to everyone, but we've come up with a list of people who would especially benefit from our membership program. First of all, those without any health care coverage. If your son or your daughter is no longer on your health insurance policy, typically those people are young and healthy and have hardly any comorbid conditions, which means stuff like high blood pressure, diabetes, congestive heart failure. Typically they're your healthier, younger population. If you don't have any health care coverage whatsoever, this does not take the place of insurance coverage, but it helps to afford the care of minor medical services if you're in need. Another set of people that this ProMedics membership can help is those who either have catastrophic policies only or high deductible policies. And the way that works is unfortunately what's happening is the way you can afford health care these days is that you're having to go up on your deductibles to be able to afford the premiums. And let's say your deductible is $5,000. It's going to be forever before you hit the deductible of $5,000.
That's one of the problems we've actually identified with Obamacare is the deductibles with Obamacare are so high, you may never actually fulfill that deductible. So it's going to be all out of pocket. That's where ProMedics works out real well. You come in, join our membership for $600 a year, which is less than the cost of one ER visit for a minor illness, which we can take care of. Your whole year's covered. And that will fill in that gap in the Obamacare that Obamacare is not going to cover for you.
Another person who can benefit is small business owners. A lot of these, smaller mom and pop grocery stores or even stores in the mall or places that don't have any insurance benefits or can't afford insurance policies on their full-time or part-time employees. Where ProMedics comes in is for $50 a month, which is $600 a year. That business can afford at least some type of minor medical care for their employees. And again, we're dealing with a younger, healthier population. So, mainly we'll be treating the flus, coughs, and colds. With the ProMedics membership, we can get them in quickly and get them back to work as quickly as possible. Tied into this, you can put business owners that are looking for a less expensive option for their full-time and part-time employees. Some of what the Affordable Care Act is doing is forcing employers to create more part-time positions and get rid of their full-time positions so they don't have to pay medical benefits. So there's going to be more part-time people in the workforce. And a good thing about the ProMedics membership is that, again, it's not an insurance policy, but it will cover the minor medical needs of these part-time people without having to pay expensive premiums. Also, one other big population that we can serve is big businesses that are self-insured. Typically you go to your primary doctor, but with less and less primary doctors, it's getting harder and harder to get in. So people go to the emergency room. So a business would rather pay a membership for $600 a year, which will include everything we can do under our roof, as well as preventative care, instead of paying an emergency room visit that can be 2 or even 3 times as much,
for one visit.
For one visit. So we think it's an affordable option for someone to either supplement an insurance policy. Example of that is raising up your deductible. That way you can afford the premium, and sliding in under that with the ProMedics membership for $600 a year. Everything we can do under our roof and preventative care.
ProMedics is very affordable. As a member of ProMedics, all we require when you visit our office is a $20 exam fee. Also, you can sign up today, you'll be covered tomorrow. There's no exclusionary period. You and your family can be covered immediately within 24 hours of signing up.
Basically what we do is we'll see you, we'll diagnose you, we'll treat you, we'll order any lab work or give you any medicine that you may need. We also do have the top 10 prescriptions that we write that will be given to you free if you're a member of ProMedics. We also offer discounts for companies that sign up. We offer discounts for family memberships, and we also offer discounts for police officers and our military personnel. Come and see us at one of our 3 locations here in Lafayette, on Ambassador Caffrey next to Bed Bath & Beyond, on Johnson Street next to Mel's Diner, and Barrett School Road next to Fat Pat's.